Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to stop sharing calendar on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to calendar. After that you need to click calendars here. And here we need to click on info button. And if you want to stop sharing your calendar, you must click here and just click stop sharing and click remove. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone. See you later.